It's 4:43.
Okay, thank you. Remember, me to boy, you could also swap come in and live here. Thank you to 20.
Grin.
Someone said, I ain't in any more boys, so I didn't cry. No one kind.
Are you for brothers? No, I didn't.
And now, boy, we are no so. A boy over kind. Well, Barbara Patchell said, when dinner, ain't here or
And a man so you.
Kids are beyond funny. They're hilarious. Let's go, pal.
just a gun for this is club bag, a crown home papa. There, I know what they had there or custom pattern or bag come.
Aye.
That's a prefix that makes no sense.
Do me say so, yeah, as in I can't do this other.
It's so good.
The mine, I want to come from also near bonus. The man, young cool, you you are from Yana Soda.
Nice.
Or you knew what also bought a Jonas and a little pa. Say, I said, my kind, a one of kind, and how dare you?
The orange was ringing. We got ourselves a fan, baby.
Yeah.
I've been watching from a safe distance. You guys all right?
Boy, do you know where my phones are?
Yeah, they're inside your body.
Oh, I get it.
Master.
So hard. Hey. Yeah, I knew.
Just a nice person who is shy, say, I quite bait with
Here
you.
we are.
A free tete and a wall.
What do you say, Bella?
Ah,
The car out of the attack.
aye. No more sana soon.
Only.
Ah, on the no.
Ow.
How many?
Okay. 4:47.
Not time, my phone. You are charging. I want to know.
Okay.
How much I have?
53.
Oh, Papa, I'm calling. And I won't plug in the year. Plug it well. Because it was 33 when I gave it to you.
It's actually charging.
And 33.
I said 54.
That's what two and I knew one life and I ain't more.
Nah. Sure. Papa, this here, mommy. Over there. Thank you.
Oh, it's all like silicone. Oh, it's.
Drinking.
When I do my night I've got version of it.
At least the girls are getting
Yeah, yeah. Many makers are said that echo. No one father than come. Consultation or ever. I'm sure we'll move because almost can you almost
For the better dear.
Ah,
no way. And if you don't like
no one can almost fool you.
I'm scared. Take me with you.
Ah, cook it.
Can't believe the talent shows in a few short hours.
Really getting sick of It's a wanted poster. Ooh, that
That's like
parrot
maybe
looks like a
sometimes
perfect
no, so I didn't know when you were so. No, so I don't uncle boy, I know, say, make from there. Why also for a name of why? I don't know, why not a Cynthia Cassette, Mammy, who you know, and not a woman or Papa that see a sofa can do how to own the baby to me. On the last young woman, oh, I don't know, I know a pension. Ah, Mammy, why not? Not a son can answer.
You see this one now about
Giggles.
Bye.
Yoo-hoo. Giggles.
Giggles? Looking for this.
He belongs to Mrs. Bird. So we took him home where he belongs. It was the right thing to do. Plus, he was just so annoying.
No offense, Sugar, but now you need to come up with jokes people will laugh at without that bird.
Please, we'll miss Giggles, but we don't need him for our act to be funny.
Sorry, that was the
We're
label.
kids of comedy. Watch.
Old Lady McGuire. Do you remember laughter?
I have to go do. See now, guys. Sorry.
Boy, has anyone ever laughed at our act without the parrot laughing first?
Good question. Let me think. Oh, no, we're not funny at all.
The talent show's in an hour. Without Giggles making everyone laugh, we gotta come up with some funny jokes.
Or... We're really sorry we kept Birdie McBeefface. We didn't realize he was your pet.
To make it up to you, how about front row seats to tonight's talent show? You'll love it.
Well, I suppose you did take good care of
Yes,
him.
one way I